So officially a Dr. Rick hiking excursion hike without anybody. That's okay. So according to Executive Order 10 by Pritzker, Section 5C, no, actually Section 15C, we're allowed to hike, which is cool. Just have to make a decision on how to get to the place you want to hike at. So this is kind of where I am. This might or might not stay in focus going off trail. I think I see a ridge. Wait a minute. That's a trail. So this is where I'm at. I have a cart trail that way, an animal trail this way. Pretty sure that's the ridge. So this should take me down. I'm gonna go down this way. So when you go hiking, you have to be careful about, well, not in Illinois, but you should be careful about animal trails. If it gets narrower and narrower, then probably not the ideal trail to follow. So, but you know, in Cook County, DuPage County, a lot of these trails are just inhabited by deer, so you don't really have to worry. The other thing to worry about is, or not worry about, be concerned about, is if you don't have the right shoes or boots, you might be going down a trail that ends up in a swamp. I have pretty aggressive boots, so, and it is getting muddy here. So if I follow this ridge down to the base, it'll probably become really wet at the base, but that's where the cool part is. Let's see if I can have you look and see where I'm at. So I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere. I haven't seen any animals. Hey everybody, this isn't going to be a podcast. I'm just taking you through a hike, and I'm trying to get it so you can see the front. I do not know how to turn this around, but at least you can see where I came from. Technical difficulties. But if you can't get out, just enjoy where I'm at. Maybe we'll run into some wildlife. I was at the Morton Arboretum once, and there was a coyote that was tracking me, which is kind of cool. Although they're safe. So this is kind of at the back end. If you watch my video, Dr. Rick, iodine and thyroid, this is kind of where I shot it. Let's see if I can turn this around. Hold on. Yeah, okay. So this is a little bit of a ridge. If you follow this down, it'll take you to the back end of Bode Forest Preserve. And as you can see, it's kind of wet down here, but I got my fancy boots on. There is a stream down here and a whole bunch of grass. So if you are going to, don't go alone. I've been here before. I usually go hiking, but these are the shoes that I've got, and they're winter. They're about 3 pounds each. So I can actually go through this water without a problem. But if you go here, you're gonna ruin your shoes. So, and a pair of hiking sticks would probably be a good idea. So just in case you lose your balance. And here is the stream. Pretty cool. If you haven't been this far back in a forest preserve, most of them have like this, just don't get to see them. Kind of cool too. So let's see how flooded it is. Hopefully you can see what I'm seeing. I'm back here. I can't really see anything, so just so my patients can get to enjoy being outside. If you come with me on one of these things in the next couple months, we'll have just have to be 6 feet apart. indication it's going to snow later on. So, bad for the trail. But it's good for the water because it freezes the water over, makes it a lot easier to traverse. That's the trail. Let's take this back. So you're safe back here as long as you have the right footing or shoes. Now it's not too bad. I did see my first mosquito the other day, so then we'll have to worry about West Nile virus. Yay! And then after West Nile, have to worry about ticks. Yay! But listen, this is the best time to go out. I'm wearing heavy clothing because I read the forecast of 20 to 30 degrees. But with the last hour of hiking around here, I'm kind of burning up. So I always say, if you're on my excursions hiking with me, you start hiking cold, and then you hopefully don't have to stop and pull layers off. So nothing. I'm looking for deer, or if we're really lucky, I'll see a coyote or two. They're probably seeing me, but they blend into the color too much. Let's go over here. Pretty nice. I'd probably go in that water, but my boots aren't that high. Maybe if I had one of those fisherman boots, boot/leg combinations. Oh, wildlife, finally. I'll try to post this later on YouTube as well. I can figure out how to use the darn thing. So we're almost done our hike. I'm not sure if you can hear that. There's almost sounds like a rapid coming up, and that's the end of the hike. It's not a rapid. We're too flat in Illinois. It's a civilian corps. It's supposed to be a bridge, but they took it down. So that's where I did the video for iodine and thyroid. Oh, it's pretty active. That's what's nice if you ever go to Starved Rock or Devil's Lake. 2 to 3 days after a rainfall, the waterways are super active. I'm not sure if you can hear anything because I'm sure the wind is cutting stuff out, but you can just hang out here and meditate or just hang out. So all this stuff gets really thick and gets caught in your legs in the spring, summer. But that's why I think this is the best time to go out. Again, the problem is you can't go out in big groups, so I'll figure something out. So this used to be a bridge, it looks like. And I don't know what was over there, but essentially the only, aside from here, you can see the trail on the other side, but right over there is Gulf Road. And you pass by this all the time, but nice. Let's go take you all the way out here and then we'll call it a day. Hey, somebody out there. So this is the lake at Bode. I'm gonna head back that way and see if I can find any other trails to go down. But I'll try to do this on a weekly basis. I always try to get out every Sunday anyway. Even though we have to be inside to keep social distancing and shelter at home, you're still allowed to go in the backyard. You have to keep your 6 feet rule going. You can still go around the block if you're exercising. You just have to, I'll put the post to the executive order. Just have to read it. Ooh, I see an animal trail. Just have to read it and figure out what is legal and what isn't legal. But I think it's important to shelter so we can decrease the surge. But at the same time, a lot of my warriors are based on or doing well because of the exercise that they're maintaining and the sanity that they're getting while making a lifestyle change. And if you have to make a lifestyle change, but it's got to be completely indoors, that would be tough, but it's just an adjustment. Listen, everybody that's made good, healthy decisions, this will just be another challenge. Don't think bad. This is what we prepared for. All my warriors, nice going. All my pre-warriors, pick it up, we'll be okay. I'll see you at the next hike. Thanks for watching. Hey, here's another carcass. Probably been here for a while, but I'd say that's a small deer. And I don't see anything else. What if I'm in the den? Cool. Hip bone, backbone. Ooh, look at that jawbone. That's pretty cool. No cavities. That is clean. Somebody's hungry. Here, that's the ridge I have to get to that I showed you before. So let's just cut. That is that. Hope you enjoyed.